Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up generating an insurance inventory list with Sortly detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up generating an insurance inventory list with Sortly, begin by downloading the app from the App Store or Google Play. Launch the Sortly app on your device. Create a new account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, tap on the Create New Folder option. Label your folder something like Insurance Inventory. Within your new folder, select Add Item to start inputting your items. For each item, enter a clear name or description that accurately reflects the asset. Include photographs of each item by tapping the camera icon. You can also add details such as purchase date, value, and serial numbers in the respective fields. If applicable, categorize your items for easier management. Continue adding items until you have documented all your possessions. Review your entries for accuracy and completeness. Once satisfied, navigate to the folder's settings to access the export options. Choose the format in which you want to generate your inventory list. CSV or PDF are typically recommended for insurance purposes. Confirm your selection and follow the prompts to export your list. You can then save it to your device or share it directly via email or cloud storage. Ensure to back up your Sortly inventory regularly to avoid data loss. This inventory will serve as a comprehensive record for your insurance needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.